Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for today's tutorial I'm going to make a pattern for this lovely top. It is a barred top with a long sleeve and a wrap front with what's this, a ruffle hem. So I have already sewn this dress, but I will try to make a pattern again for this top. And we will begin with making uh, the bodies, the block bodies. Okay, so before we do the cutting, we have to get a copy for the back first. The back pattern should have the same measurement on the front. So for the ease, okay, this is a wrap blouse. Okay, wrap blouse. We can add 1 inch here. So let's make it 1 inch na lang. From your block bodies, add 1 inch, and also on the top, on the bust, add 1 inch. So yes, that is for your ease. And now I have to cut na for the back. Okay, so for the back pattern, 2 centimeter down for the neckline. Okay, so I will make the neckline 1. So then I need a paper for my back pattern. Okay. Not yet, but not yet. Before I forgot everything, let's make the front first before cutting the back. So from the center front, you will add 9 centimeter on the center front, like this one. This is 9 centimeter. This is for the wrap part of the blouse. Okay, 9 centimeter, and then and from the center edge here on the bottom, you will raise 5 centimeter. Okay, and you will get the center of this waist to the front neckline. You divide it, then mark a point, and then you connect it. You connect these two dot here, and you also have to later. We're going to do this later. Okay, from the shoulder point we need to raise 2 centimeter. Okay, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter or 1 centimeter. That's 1. So I think we have to cut first. Never mind that. Okay, I need to cut this because I need the back pattern before cutting this one, cutting the extension. And not siya. So let's trace pattern for the back. Too many. Oh. Okay. Our pattern for the back Ana siya. This is it. Make sure you add 1 centimeter here. It doesn't matter because this is a kuan mansad, daw man sleeve, so it doesn't matter, okay? Oh, yun na lang, oy. Let's, kuan na lang, add this na lang later. So we already have the back pattern. So this is the back pattern. We're gonna work on this later. So, nasa naman tayo? Still no, oh. Okay, for the neckline, shoulder, for this shoulder point, may 5 inches. No, 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter here. This one for your new neckline. Okay? And put some shape here. Shape. Shape to connect on this point. Okay? Gotta put some shape. There's no shape. Okay. And ito ko sa ruler. Where's my ruler? Where are you? Butan. Mali. So from our bust point, draw a line here to going to the neckline, going to the center front, and you add a dart at least 2 centimeter. So one side 1 centimeter each, something like this is to have a better kanang fitted on the the center on the neckline. Okay, to make your wrap fitted. Okay, so on your bust point to the center, the extension, we're going to make a point here, 2 point here, something like this, and then you connect this 2 point to each other like that, and this point also will be connected here. This is for the pleats. Okay, so we're going to add the pleats later, but later. So this is it. Okay, so let's cut this part. But of course, we need to close the dart. Okay, close the dart. So you have to close the dart first. To close, you have to cut here the dart also. And have to close, and not siya close. Okay, so after that, you will cut this line here. Cut this one also. And you have to close na the center, the dart here on the neckline. Okay, so close first, something like this. So here, and you see this line, cut also this line here, this one, something siya, but do not cut the whole kuan piece. Okay, cut that, and also this one here. No, this one here na lang. Dili ay. Okay, okay. Oops, oops, oops. Okay. Oh. Yes, the dart. Okay. And also this part. Why did I lock it? Oh, we have to. Or just this part here. Wait. Hold on. You should cut it on the dart where you tapered. Okay, not this one, but this dart here. Oops. But first, we need to shape the neckline. So, maghimo na tag sure sa neckline. I hope you follow my instruction. You still following? Okay, shape the neckline. Ana siya. So, you can now cut the remaining. This one. Whoops. Okay. Oops. So now we have to paste the whole bodies. That's why we need extra paper for the kuan sleeve. Okay. Okay. So our pleats, 8 centimeter is too kuan. Just make it kuan na lang. 8 centimeter is too big for me. Just add 4 centimeters, 2 centimeters all. You got to fold 2 centimeters each. So you will add 4 centimeters or 3 centimeters. So 6 centimeters. Okay. So we have to spread this by 6 centimeters. Something like that. Why did I let you go? Okay. You can add here 4 to 8 centimeters. Okay? Just 4 to 8. Or 4 to 6 only. Oh, I shouldn't cut this one di ay. May paiwan akong i-cut na. Hold on. I'm gonna make it 5 na lang. So that one. So this one, pila man ni? 5 centimeter. So this is the 5 centimeter. And this one here should be 5 centimeter. So this is the 5 centimeter. Okay, so this is the 5 centimeter. So give me one. So this is his final. Muna siya final pa niya ha. Okay. So after this, we are now going to add the sleeve length. But first, measure the shoulder. Okay, so let's add a kuan here, 2 centimeter for the neckline. 2 centimeter, and from this point ha, ana siya, and make a long line here. Ana. Okay. Okay, so we will measure our shoulder. Okay, to get the new shoulder width, you can measure 5 from the shoulder point. You can measure 5 inches here to get the new shoulder width. Okay, I'm just gonna kuan. draw a line. Square down the line. And, okay, wait. So, get the center of the side seam. So, this is the center. And your sleeve length. So, let's measure the length. 17. And square down the line. Square down the line. You get the wrist? The wrist cuff is 9.4. Let's say 9. So 4.5. And add some allowance. Ease. Let's say 1. And then connect the line to the armhole. Okay? Connect first. And then next is to shape the new armhole, the new armhole here, like this one. It is like you are drawing a dolman sleeve, okay? Okay, wait. I'm just gonna make that one. Okay, so we need to shape our kuan. So like this. My goodness. So the problem is I'm not good in drawing mali ay. Okay, so this is your new armhole. Of course, you're going to cut here. Let's shape this one. Okay? Is this correct or to kuanra? Good. No, this one here. So this is your new bodies, and this is your sleeve, your new sleeve. And you're going to cut here the neckline, shape, get the shape. Okay, let's try to fold this one here. And the fold will goes up. Something like this. And then cut here. Money. Okay, see? Okay, and then you have to cut this also. So this would be your front. Let's label this front sleeve. Okay, front sleeve. So we need to get the the dart. Get the center. Oh, ikay mo oy. You have to get the dart first, okay? The dart. So our dart is 1 cm. Smells bad mga gitaron. 1 cm each side for the dart. Narito ang cheetah. Don't you worry about I love you, baby. Okay, so we need to paste this one. Oh my god. Okay, so we need to copy now the kind of measurement from the front. Okay, so from here is 2 centimeter, and then make a line and then copy the armhole. So this one 5 centimeter here, 5 cm here, and then copy the length right here. So just copy the armhole, this one. See, so that's just it. I think. He's in her eyes, faded, but I'm not so sure. He's in her laughter. So many questions, but the answers are so few. And for our new neckline also, let's see. So Ano siya? Don't you worry about the love. Just shape it. And you go by 2 cm from this point here. Go down by 2 cm for the neckline dip. Okay. So whatever we added on the center front will also be added on the yoke. So for the front, like for example, we add 9 centimeter. So we also need this yoke 9 centimeter extension. Okay, and for the back, just go and measure center back only. So this is for the front. You need to make 3 yokes for the left and the right. Okay. Okay. I'm just gonna do something like this. Ayo, what are you doing, Ayo? Hold on, hold on. Where's my hair? Don't you worry. So we need to measure 5.5 for the length of the koan. 5.5, 5.5, 5.5. If it is too koan for you, well, anyway, this is an extra small measurement, I think. So maybe it has a length of 20. I'm not really sure. So whatever length you want, okay? This is just an example, but for this koan, for my copy here, I have a copy of the length here. It's 20 for, if you're a medium, the length is 21.5. Something like that, okay? Okay, let's go back. You also need to copy the dart here and 1 centimeter. Okay, ano siya? Okay. Okay, so this one here, this is for the front. This is for the back. So 1 for the back and 2 for the front. Let's do it. Oh. Okay. Okay. You need to copy two pieces. So let's copy this one. Love you, baby. So Sabado. Okay. So this is for our kuan. Let's mark muna. So this is for our back. So I'm gonna cut this one here. Okay, we will level it back. Okay, so for the front, oh, asa naming dart ani? The dart is, oh, where's the dart here? The dart is, for the front, the dart is, sakto ba ni? Just make a dart with 1 centimeter each side. Okay? Okay, so here, also need a dart here. Close the dart. We just need to close it. Ay, nako. Saan siya? Okay, so we will make this the, ano lang, it's on the right side of the front bodies, front pattern. The right side is the one with the curve yoke. Okay, like this one. But also, you can make the other side, I mean, you know, the yoke, the other yoke, which is the hidden. You can also make that curve. You can also, like this one, the one with the overlap man silang duha, like this one. So you can also make a design like this, or just a straight like this. Okay, let's see. And then, so we need to spread this one. Oh, sorry. Spread. So I will cut this by 4. And also this one. Yeah. The dart. 2, 4, 6. And I'm gonna add 10 cm all in all. So divide 3. How much? How much should I add it? Something like 3 centimeter. So I'm gonna spread this one for 4 centimeter, 3 centimeter each. No, ipo na siya. 3 centimeter. Okay, so uy, no. So 3 centimeter, 369, 3.5, let's say 3, I want to make it 10 centimeter all in all, so maybe 3 point something. Okay. And then 3 centimeter, 3 something centimeter here, 3.5 or 3.5 or 3.2, 3.2, let's say 3.2, bungkig, pagidoy. Okay, 3 point something, 3.2. Okay, here. Pagod pod. Darlene Kai. 3.2 cm. So this is on the right side of the body of the pattern. Okay, this one here. So this is the right side. So the measurement here should be same on the measurement here on the waistline. Okay. Okay, so let's do the other side. Or actually we can do this kuan sad, this design also, the one with the kuan. Okay? Just this kuan type of kuan na lamang yoke. You can do this, or just as I have said, straight like this one or this one. But it's the same, you have to spread this also. Same process here. You have to spread this also 3.2 centimeter. But the difference is this is curved and this is straight. I will not cut it. Same on the back. And we have to cut this 3. Okay, so let's see for the back. So I'm gonna add 7 centimeter all in all for the back. 1, 2, 3. So you're going to add 2.3 centimeter or just 2 centimeter. Okay. 2 centimeter. Okay, 2 centimeter here. Okay, 2.3 centimeter. 2.3 centimeter. So this is for your back. So this is your back yoke. Back yoke. And you're going to fold it. Fold this one. This will be folded when kuan ka ng cutting. Okay? Okay, so this is for your back. For your back. For your front. Make a 2 copy of this kuan, okay? 2 copy for the front. This design, okay? 2 copies. Let's proceed to kuan. So now we have to make a copy for the sleeve. Okay? We need back and front. Back and front sleeve. So let's make a copy of it. Himos. So this is the front and this is the back. So this is the back. Back sleeve. Okay? And now we have to connect this two. So you have to tape this two. This one tape. Okay, oh my goodness. But before that, reduce the since your sleeve has a cuff, so we need to take away 3 centimeter. That's the cuff width. Okay, so I'm gonna take away 3 centimeter here. That's for the cuff. If you will notice the picture, it has a longer sleeve, okay? That's why it's 20. From the new shoulder, it's 20. Okay, so after this, okay, let's make it this way. Type here. So after this, we have to divide it. We need to spread this again. Okay, spread it, cut it, cut it into 4. Okay, so this is the guideline. Okay, I'm gonna make a guideline here, and then I'm gonna label this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 all in all. And cut this to spread. Okay. So we need another. So again, I'm gonna make a guideline again. Guideline. This is a guideline. Just a guideline. And okay. So hold on. No, not this one. We'll start from the center. So where's the center? So this one. Where's the center? Okay, here's the center. So here's the center. 2. Where's the 1? 1. 1, 2, 3. Yes. So hold on. Yan na lang. So start on the center di ay. Why is this hiwi? It's like hiwi, you know? My guideline. It's not a straight line. It's not straight. So above, on the shoulder, okay, on the shoulder, we need to add 6 centimeter. So we will fold it by kuan. No, just 5, okay? 5 for me. Just a small kuan na lamang. 4 to 5 na lamang. 6 centimeter is kuan lang good. Too wide, too deep. So let's make it 5 centimeter here. So you will fold it by 2.5 centimeter each. And on the bottom, you will add, the bottom should be kuan, kanang bigger. So we'll do something like this. 5 and 7. So make it 7. Something like this. 7. Or 6. Make it 6. 7 or 6. And then another 5 here. Five, and then sila to ni diri on the bottom. 7, 6. It's 6.5. Okay, something like this. And also you will do that on the other side. So you now have to trace it. Saan naman eh? We have to cut. Cut na cut. Here. This is one. See? See? Just make it straight. You can do it. It's very, very kalas sa papel. Okay, let's see if this is topong already. So it's not topong. I mean align this seam, the edge. You just make it align here. You see? So this is it. This is your sleeve. And you're going to make a cuff here at least 6 centimeter width for your cuff. Let's say 6 centimeter. Not siya. 6 centimeter width, and measure your wrist. Okay, to get your wrist circumference, you will need your hand circumference plus ease, or wrist circumference plus 4 centimeter ease. Okay, 4 centimeter ease. Okay. So for example, your cuff is kuan. For example, mine is for example like this. This is my wrist, 7.5. So you just have to add 4 centimeter, or you can do this one. This one. So this will be your wrist measurement. Me, it's 9 1/4. Okay. So you will just gonna cut 6 centimeter. And then you get to connect it on the wrist. So now we already have the pattern for sleeve. So this is your back, and you have to mag-front na ho. This is your front. Let's say we connected this front and back. This one. Let's say, and then this one also. Get to find the center. And then you have to fold it like this. Fold, or you can gather. Fold or gather. Gather is okay. Something like this. Fold. You have to make a pleats. And also this one. Okay. So that's it. And also on the cuff, you have to fold it or gather. Ano na siya. And then this one also. Fold it. Okay. Where's my back? So this one also. So you have to cut 2 front here. 2 pieces of the front. And 2 pieces for the yoke. And 1 piece unfold for the back yoke. And 1 piece folded on the back bodies. Okay, 1 piece folded. It doesn't have a zipper because it's a wrap blouse. Okay, I hope it's clear. Okay. I also have a video of this top sewing, the instruction on how to sew this top. Okay, I also, and then yeah, but I just need to edit. It's not yet finished editing. Sus, kalangas maning ilua oy. So this one here. Okay. Also, you will have to cut pila man siya? 8 centimeter. Okay, so for the belt, you're going to cut 10 centimeter. Okay, waist circumference plus 145 centimeter and divide it by 2. Okay, so for example, 10. You're going to cut 10 centimeter on width because you're going to fold it, right? So let's say. So let's say this is our kuan belt. So okay, all you have to do is to just connect it. Fold this one after connecting the facing. You have here the neckline. The facing I'm using on neckline is on fitted facing. Okay. So something like this. And then your belt. Oh, what's wrong? And then your belt here. Kuan ra gamay ra? No. It's too small. Sakay diri. Basta your belt width should be kuan same on the width here. Okay? So you're going to attach the belt here. Okay, ana siya pag-attach. And then on your blouse, on the right side, because your right side, I mean, on the right side of your side seam, here, you're going to kuan this, leave unseen or open. Kaya isulod nimo ang belt. You're going to wrap the belt, pass through the side seam here. Na siya. So this is the one. Okay? So this would be long belt. Okay? Okay. Bye.